In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Cash App account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Cash App application. Now, before you do this, make sure to go ahead and withdraw any money that you do have. So as you're able to tell, we do have some money. So all I need to do is I need to go ahead and press on withdraw and basically withdraw all of my money to my bank account. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and then select on your profile picture just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see this option that does say support. So just go ahead and press on that. Then in the search bar, all you need to do is you need to look up close account just like so. And then it will eventually give you the option to close your Cash App account. So all you got to do is press on that. And then it is going to load in a screen that looks like this. And essentially it is going to disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all sessions. Keep in mind that for legal reasons, Cash App does need to keep a record of your transactions. But anyways, guys, once you have confirmed that you want to delete your Cash App account, all you need to do is go ahead and press on done. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.